Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be a bit different from what you've seen on VPNs. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested more than 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research doc on everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time on stuff you don't care about or that doesn't even matter, just to drag this out into a 15-minute video, I'm going to cut to the chase. I'll tell you which VPNs are the best for inspiring creativity right now and give you a few key points about each so you can pick one and get on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll drop a link in the description so you can grab my full research doc for free and read it all year long. No joke. All right, let's jump in. Here are the top 3 VPN services to spark your creativity and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for inspiration. Why? Well, it keeps you connected and secure while you're exploring creative ideas online. Pretty important, right? Speed-wise, it's literally one of the fastest I tested. Low ping, no connectivity issues, 0 packet loss, and solid download-upload speeds. Perfect for streaming content and researching to kickstart your imagination. Features? It's loaded. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's got it. Pricing and support? Good price for what you get, and the support's top-notch. Do they keep logs? Nope, that's a fact. Encryption? They use the best tech out there. Overall, super easy to use, fast, no hassles, and pretty affordable for what you get. Negatives? Just a 10-device limit. Second best VPN for inspiration is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no BS VPN built purely for performance. Speed? Incredibly fast, with consistently low ping, no lags, no interruptions, so your creative flow stays smooth. Features? All the essentials for a creative mind, plus a few extras. A reliable kill switch and split tunneling let you route only your creative apps through the VPN or not. Pricing and support? One of the best values out there. Often cheaper than competitors, but with top-tier performance. Support's quick and helpful. Do they keep logs? No. They've got an independently audited no logs policy. Encryption? Best tech available. AES 256. Negatives? It's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which can make privacy geeks nervous. The server network is smaller than the others too. Overall, a clean, fast, secure, set-it-and-forget-it VPN. Perfect for smooth, uninterrupted inspiration and great value. Third best VPN for inspiration is Private Internet Access, or PIA. Why? It's got a massive server network and the most customization options on this list. Speed? Really good. With so many servers, you'll find a fast, uncrowded one near you, so your research and streaming never slow down. Features? Packed. Kill switch, a solid ad blocker, and it's the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support? Usually the cheapest premium option on the list. Support is pretty good and professional. Do they keep logs? No, they don't. And their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption? Best tech, and it's customizable. Negatives like IPVanish, it's US based, plus the app isn't as clean as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. Best choice if you're on a budget but still want a massive server network and advanced features to fuel your creativity. And that's it. My top 3 picks for inspiring creativity online: NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick based on the logo or colors, you'll be totally fine. They just work flawlessly to keep your creative energy flowing. Quick recap if you're still unsure, go with NordVPN for the best all-around VPN for inspiration. It's a premium experience with tons of features and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that's incredible value. Go with PIA if you're on a budget, but want a VPN with a huge network and advanced features to fuel your creativity. My job here is done. I've given you the answers so you don't have to waste time. I've put my exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description so you can get the best price. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one and let me know in the comments which you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.